Bird dog. This is one of our foundational core exercises. You're being quadruped position, which is essentially on all fours, hands and knees. And what I'm going to do is reach forward with my right arm, fully extend my left leg, squeeze my butt muscle, hold 1,000, come down. Left arm, right leg, 1,000, come down. You want to make sure when people put their leg back, they're not just cutting it off here, okay, and they're not taking their leg way outside their body or externally rotating their hips so their foot is pointed out to the side. You want their toe down, leg straight. We should really see a straight line from their right heel all the way to my left hand. Now to make it a little harder, you can do it continuous on one side. So if I went right hand, left foot, reach, now I'm going to touch elbow to knee, back out and hold. Elbow to knee, back out and hold. So that would be a continuous bird dog.